Hi, Logicflow is a visual programming editor based on data transformation. You start with data, chain operations to transform it, and see how the data changes at each step. So, what makes Logicflow different? It brings three main things. The first is a simple mental model with detailed feedback. One issue with many visual programming tools is that they are too rigid for developers and they are too complex for non developers. They often have beautiful and approachable UIs for beginners, but the underlying complexity of programming remains, often with extra complexity added by the tools themselves. Logicflow is built around a simple idea: programming is data transformation. You take data, apply operations to it, transform it into new data, and continue from there. Complexity in Logicflow only appears when you need more advanced concepts like unions, promises, and other complex data types. Otherwise, the core structure stays the same. Logicflow also gives immediate feedback during program execution. Along with the final result of your program, you can inspect how the data changes at each step. The second thing that Logicflow brings is more accessible programming. To work in Logicflow, you need no programming setup, no account creation, and even no constant internet connection. You only need to install it once as a progressive web app. After that, everything runs locally on your device. Logicflow is also easy to use from your mobile phones, as easy as using it on your computer. You add data and operations by clicking buttons and choose options from the drop down. This matters because not everyone can afford a computer, especially in countries like Nepal, where I am from. A lot of families here have a single smartphone for the entire household, and for many children, that smartphone is the only access to a computing device. And the third thing that Logicflow is trying to do is prepare early developers with strong foundation. The goal of Logicflow is not to replace traditional programming, it is to help early developers build a strong foundation by understanding data shapes, seeing how data changes throughout a program, and avoiding mutation heavy thinking. Logicflow stays close to JavaScript in execution, syntax, and semantics. The generated code matches closely to the visual representation in Logicflow, so you can read and understand the actual JavaScript code. Logicflow also includes advanced features like static typing, recursion, error handling, keyboard navigation, serverless deployment, and npm package support, which I have covered in detail in the technical overview video linked in the description. Thank you for watching.